So let's say I have to export out a certain file to an exact file size limit. Let's say a particular site only allows me to upload 2 megabytes maximum for a video. In that case, you can set the parameters in Adobe Media Encoder while converting. So over here, you can see that I have this video file, so I can simply click to go to the export settings. Then I can simply choose S.264 right here. Or for small file size, you can choose S.265. So here you can go ahead and choose a preset as you want. And to limit the file size to 2 megabyte right here, you can see that maximum file size is an option over here on the bottom. You can go ahead and type in 2 MB right here. But once you do that, note that the other quality will actually get affected. So the lower the file size, the less the quality is. So I can go ahead right here just like this, as you can see, or let me just go for 1 megabyte right here. Let's say, for example. So now I'm simply going to go ahead, select the folder right here, press OK, and I'm going to go ahead and hit the play button. Then the video file will be exported. And if I were to actually go ahead and see right here in the property, you can see that it's almost that file size right here, 1.03 right here, which is the target file file size. We set almost the size. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that the video is there. It's whole 18-second right here within that particular range right here. You can go ahead and make it smaller or larger as you wish, just like that as well. So that is how you can simply go ahead and set out maximum output file size limit inside of Adobe Media Encoder while converting videos. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.